Major General. Thank you, sir. Major General Dr. KJ Singh.
My teacher taught me so much. I'm not listening to the teachers, the commands.
Thank you, sir. Dr. Harbinder Singh Bali.
My sweet.
Thank you so much, sir.
सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां सस्यश्यामलां मातरं वन्दे मातरम्.
Of the today's event, with the Commissioner Secretary, Health and Medical Education, UT Ladakh, Dr. L. Franklin, IAS, Chairman elect of Jakasi, Professor Nazir Ahmad Wani, Honorary Secretary of the Jakasi, Professor Shamsul Bari, GC member of ASI, Professor Sanjay Kumar Basin, respected guests from outside JK chapter of ASI, Dr. R.C. Shah, Dr. KJ Singh, Dr. Nandan Agarwal, Dr. Rishi Salmonkar, and Dr. Pandya. Esteemed executive and senior members of Jakasi, valued dignitaries, delegates, friends, and all participants. Worthy guests of the local health department, administrative sector, Director Health Services, Dr. Kashi Chandas, Deputy Director Health Services, Dr. Norma Chuske, Chief Medical Officer, Dr. Richard Chozo, Medical Superintendent and Deputy Medical Superintendent of the SM Hospital, Dr. Yamchan Norma and Dr. Nabu Hachuk. My colleagues and team of the organizing committee, well wishers and supporters. Hearty greetings from Ladakh, and it is a privilege and honor for me to be here among all of you to represent SNM Hospital Leh as an institution of repute for work culture and dedication related to the public health care system. We are humbled and honored by the gracious presence and overwhelming response from the delegates, participants, students, and other well-wishers all over the country, and particularly from the JK state.
Honestly, my mother-in-law, Dr. Maqbul Fatima, has served this place in somewhere in 1980s. She was a doctor from Kashmir. She told me that Dr. Saring Narbu, I don't know, was the first surgeon from Ladakh. She has worked with him long back. So she's always telling me the story of this Leh Ladakh. We always enjoy. Today I really enjoyed stay here, although it was quite a hectic drive from Srinagar to here to Leh, almost 12 or 13 hours. And we really enjoyed the drive from there to this place.
From a long place like Srinagar and from Jammu and to come this place. Professor Zakir, HOD surgery, Rajouri has come all along driven from Rajouri to this place. So, first of all, we had a first-hand experience at how difficult it is to drive and come, even if we have our own vehicles, comfortable SUVs, and coming to this place. Now, as Dr. Padma said, how difficult it will be for a patient from this place to go outside when the patient is referred in a critical condition. So, I was just talking to Secretary Sir that this is really a dream that when should a medical college at level be having all the facilities and all the managements at this place on. So, organizing this academic event at 11,500 feet in the land of high mountain passes is itself a tribute to the resilience, dedication, and spirit of our surgical fraternity working here. So I salute and I appreciate the efforts of Dr. Tashi and Dr. Padma and their team, dynamic team.
Since 2019, I had a desire to have some event in the place like Ladakh. 2011, when I was a president of International College of Surgeons. Since 64 years history of the ICS, there was not a single event that has been carried out in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. I first put up that first event should be there in the Jammu and Kashmir, and fortunately the Srinagar has taken up the opportunity and I was able to, as a president, to remain present over there. And after 2019, but unfortunately what has happened, 2019, the corona has come up. And I had requested Dr. Tashi. Dr. Tashi is such a humble person. I would not speak regarding the surgery. He is excellent surgeon, dedicated and dynamic persons. But above that, his main thing is his humbleness and his brotherhood. My daughter and my wife, they have visited the Leh. And just I had a talk with him. He visited them and appointed them with a cake when there was a 17th of June. I still remember that date. And my daughter's birthday was there, and he took up this challenge to give them my presence over that. So it was an excellent thing, and that is the thing. These are the Kohinoors, various, as Dr. Padma have visit to his address, and it was an excellent thing. Such Kohinoors are to be felicitated, and my purpose was here to come to felicitate specifically in the form of Dr. Tashi, because so many Kohinoors are there with India, and in the crown of India is the Kashmir, Jammu. But at present, I would request everyone, this dais, to join with me. Naresh bhai, please come here. He is from the FILMI, Federation International Law, Medicine, Ethics and Innovation. Give a
way back in 2014, the first case that I operated was a case of unilateral SDH, and I operated that patient at Field Hospital GH. That was a time when we just got hand of smartphones and internet connectivity has just reached Ladakh. There was a armed force personnel who came to us with a GCS score of 5 and 15. We planned evacuation to Chandigarh, but it started snowing so badly that we were left with no option. So we sneaked into the room of CEO, which had a router kind of a thing, internet connectivity. We used that internet and I sent the CT plates to my neurosurgeon friend who was in Wim Hans, New Delhi, and he told me to just go and do or this patient will survive. With all my with a very brave heart, and thanks to the teaching of my professor at Government Medical College Jammu, I did evacuation of chronic SDH. The patient was extubated next morning, and the patient was smiling and having a cup of tea. This experience gave me a lot of encouragement, and then there was no looking back beyond that.
Privilege for the people of Ladakh, as well as the surgeons and the doctor fraternity of Ladakh, to host this prestigious Jakasi conference. It's a big facelift for the place, and I'd like to thank the people responsible for bringing this conference here. I wouldn't waste much of your time, but there are a few things which I'd like to update you on what we have done here in Ladakh regarding the medical college. Way back in 2019, it was in principle approved to start a medical college here by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare under the scheme medical college attached to a district hospital. Now, you must be knowing that the central government has taken a policy to start a medical college in every district of the country. So, in 2022, they gave us the first installment, around 127 crores of money, out of which we have spent 4 crores for fencing of the medical college campus. You can see when you take off from the airport, a huge fenced area, just that side of the Indus. That is the proposed academic block. And the attached hospital would be the SNM hospital, which would be expanded from 200 to 350 beds. So the total estimated cost is around 800 crores, out of which 40% would be borne by the health minister, by central government, and 60% would come from the funds of the UT. Presently, we are planning to start from the new academic year, 2026-27, the first year.
ডক্টর কাশিলে জিলে তেনে ডিরিং সার্জনস কোনে একা কনফারেন্স করতে গলালে তে স্কোলা চাপেক্ষ মলনালে
그래서 이거다 아주 그 Association of Surgeons of India using ata operating the doctors kone all over India mane gata organization chilbu jutyak tete namko tena ta Jammu and Kashmir chapter of Association of Surgeons of India jete ka gata ngalla Jammu Kashmir state under pa gata te samana namko register sokte te body ke wale ta tena yampo gata yang rest of India jaga mokpone te Bombay ne te Lucknow ne te Delhi ne tira pasat pe tena ta ka pilona gata delegate sketches tira le te to Jammu Kashmir ne Jammu ne man mokpo senior tena ta surgical faculty te khachule amma mokpo tena ta surgical faculty gata changma ta da ina niji tena ta ga changma ika jobs se changma ika juk se topic discussion choste interaction choste gata chira chi ga dang de tene developments in science technology and treatment modalities te changma gata lopshe se skapchik tena ta china chi gata ngoto churches china chi sheshes relationship gyuches tena ta trust human touch te changma ta yampa doctor profession apoi changma ta build churches te changma karu gata skyoda chi ja te chi gata advances do chi lobjo da do tena yongche chare gata tene azugo generation gulla yongche chare gata surgery gulla te da de jisre chi advance do te samana yampa gata kazu yampo spongpa rixte dulit yanda kana ultimate gata jugme ga kyangda tena gata benefit po gata bimagda public autopsies digda ka samjing gata shes samjing gata lob samjing gata discussion samjing gata somachala korna gata jisre ga chi dugzete lob na shes na te gata thori ka gata practically call gena te da direct benefit potere gata Ladakh society ne jaga ulla kana gata yang jaga gata songtan jete dasa lob te yostan gata song te gata pema kaspejulok te pema gata I society ne interaction session conferences the pillow ata school no sama gata jaw mo sha sama iga skot te gata changma yam podux te ga soldier activity jampo chi bala professional gata discussion na professional gata lopses ne cup create churches te mo gata big no yale te ga gata local gata doctor sama den man mang poi ga skot ta hala bala mi ga je pillow ne biga gap chu tuk sujik den gata local ka 20 tirale te samai ka gata jagma ngis e ga jukste te gata ga goto chuste sama jaga chi ga jukste platform chi ga te gata different angle ne te chi surgical da field ta gata surgical field gata spera non neurosurgery go operation churches te cardiothoracic surgery knee operation churches khalbe te sangma different angle ata ke skyote te sangme ga ta ga chi ga da jongdar nente China Jisheste, China Jigada Lopes, the Shkapsma, Jaspas Yale. The Teo Yasamna di Tusla, Tata Kitab Silta, the Top Chimikak, Tenata television, Yangata social media, Chijika, Tesamata, Tanta Joseph Gushabro, something like was my yoste, Sama Jukte, the Goto Jose, the discussion, to Mashante Patoso, Teo Migi Pidale.
I conference wala das la goma eno ki changal la chwa jata nole.
Taina spreadsheet ro le sox gaje galang tani Jammu Kashmir gai jawar ni po ye matsap gata philo Singapore tene Malaysia te samana gata group gata azu syoda bin tan khona pangata ma jaw wasis gala gata yot pasana te khoi ga syoda gata galang lo jo chat pele ta dire se gata ne ma special azu chi gata ye teni ma Gachimika. Inanga iga samsi daily tuskan saman marma pojo dele. Yispa bayam ika mas chacha spratik chi tingata scientific program scientific session unang dia teo juro kinata credit our points jute kata suj gata scientific session ada lobjung zatna te lobjung zatkane घंटा chi ga credit point chi thabarok te घंटा chi azuk pana session bana the scientific paper ji orok Jirkanik. Then te sangmata authenticate song te Medical Council of India te branch itna da Jammu Kashmir Medical Council certified choste. Then khoi ka ta observer kalte. Then bilkul mane due process choste officially dealer choste ba ha is of the scientific conference gaji officially bilkul accept choste mane qualify choste you are credit our allocate choste juspa mane kata tene demo Fortunately, my Azuk Jasper Tone, he Japagi conference pass, surgical conference pass, created our 7 allocate to sections of it. So, Pasata, Chino Juna, Teo direct Skunda, Yana Skunda, and Pantospo, Katata, PG student, Kaunata, surgery department, post-graduation course. Teo Latin examination and attendance and created our ready cola, direct marks. Kone kazu de chano yale tene gata young doctor sangmala senior indo junior indo private sector no gata public sector indo teula licensing authority of India Medical Council lo tushina license bada renewal choices practice renewal choices update so tamaso to zerkan gata azuk si goding body orok kala ki doctors guna knowledge update check latest facility modalities of medicine loven this samata the public health care is na ablation kaltanga da doctor ji lojong zatana lo gishu subjik chang masila chang kawasha ta masik sa dugna teu gata te silkan mo na outdated soft chang use yo to te medical council of India tu should ya porsi ki ata lo khane I sangma renewal choste te da doctor guna tab efficiency maintain chogeno te has a created hours po tela account sarware jana samsi tene CBA attend jospin samsi conference attend jospin samsi scientific session gena ra tene scientific paper present jospin ya te man pa dasai so physical gata conference europa te man pa yang da so online da webinar gute dularok yang da digital display ga gurarok online lectures te sangma different modalities yorok mane har jagah ne te sangmala लेकिन क्रेडिट आवर्स होता है एलोकेशन वो मेकैनिज्म सुसो 0.5 रेक सुसो 0.25 रेक सुसो 1 सुसो 1.5 जिस पर ना दाता एक स्ट्रक्चर बताएंगे समझना कारू का जगह छन्मु जी आई चोसी तने का गैदरिंग डिस्कशन जी साइंटिफिक कॉन्फ्रेंस जाना तो ला जो क्रेडिट पर गेट या स्टू बने होमरुक तो का का दसाई सब द जस्पा तरीके का सोंग का कोने 7 क्रेडिट पर एलोकेट सोंते हो का ये फर्टिलिटी ना का साइंटिफिक व्यू ने जुना Tuma chacha ma phanto se jala sero.